I believe still আমাদের অনেক কিছু চান্স আছে. It depends on the exit. Sancho, Garnacho, and Tony.
একদম
Yeah, so if we get a good keeper, হতে পারে Donnarumma, হতে পারে Martinez, but it would be a big plus point for us because at the end of the day, পিছন থেকেই কিন্তু ওই লিডারশিপ. Then we have leaders as well, I would say. Center back we have leaders. Bruno is there. সামনে we're yet to have, I would say, big leaders because there are new signings. So if we have a keeper or the presence বা Emi and Emi Martinez are Donnarumma, they're quite big as well as a player, right? So if we can have them, even though আমার যদি বালেবাকেও আমরা না পাই, I would be happy with the keeper because that is something I can see, to be honest, যে আমাদের যে পিছনের যেসব প্লেয়ারগুলি আছে সেন্টার ব্যাক থেকে উইং ব্যাক, they're not happy. You can see it on their face যখন ওনারা মিস্টেক গুলি করে. So it's very evident if we don't sign a player who the back line is not confident enough, it's going to cost us no matter আমরা যত ভালো সামনে ভালো যতই খেলি না কেন. But I think you have to build something from the back